विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. गोंय पर्यटन खात्यान 21 जानेराक कोलवा आनी कलंगूट दर्यावेळ रनवे इन्स्पिरेशन आयोजीत केला. हातूंत खाशेली भुरगीं रॅम्प वॉक करतली म्हण म्हायती आमदार निलेश काब्रालान दिल्या. आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगीस.
Why Goa tourism is associated with Anusha, who is a young 21-year-old girl who is coming into the fashion industry. She also has a standard brand of Anusha under her name. When she approached me for bringing something different, we always say that why can Goa tourism not be different? Why can't we have a social angle to this? So when she came with a team of having special children coming on the ramp, I also was motivated in being associated with them as tourism, associated with her. And I think we have Zuri here who has sponsored, then Mohammed Hari Petty, Kiswa Saloon, Vincent World, Shami Photographers, Prasad Photography, Viva Goa Magazine, DJ Mohan, they all associated with her. But the main thing is, when I told this, then I said, why don't you take a school from my area, who is developing a bigger school, and it's on a private enterprise, a Chetna school. So they have taken Chetna school, she has taken Chetna school as part of that activity, what she had to do, had thought of doing. As it also gives me a platform to explain that 15 special children are going to walk a ramp. It is something which touches our heart. When we say special children, it is when people watch it, they will see. We have also 15 young girls from different schools who have been selected, and 15 models who are there. And Femina Miss India 2009, Harshita Saxena has voluntarily decided to come as a showstopper. So this is something where we are in a normal political thing or tourism, we blame each other. So I said, let us divert our mind in something different. And that is why on 21st January 2018, Runway Inspiration, this is what the event is named as, a Runway Inspiration, this is going to be part of it.
Platform for them, it is they have never come across that crowd, what we're having for the event, the camera, the light, it's a complete different thing what they couldn't think of. And besides all this, as we have showstoppers, we have celebrities, as I said. So this event, something what we have planned is happening for the first time in India, where on one platform we have special children, new faces into fashion, and we also have Goa's established models. The reason why I added up these established models to this event was because let these girls realize that they hold the same position in our society. Like they don't belong to that backward thing where they have to keep themselves hidden. This is not just to change their minds as well as the minds of the family, and to all those who have people like this, special children in your family and homes, because we need to encourage them in everything they do. They cannot be considered something, okay, because they are like this, this is not possible for them. It's not like that at all.